What is up guys, this is Tito back with another video on the Redmi K20 Pro, and today in this video I'm going to be showing you the latest PixelExperience Plus build, which is the official one, and this PixelExperience has some customizations. This is the 15th March 2020 build, as you can see from here, and it says PixelExperience Plus Raphael for Redmi K20 Pro, and here is the Android version. Of course, it's Android 10. The security patch is latest of March 5th, 2020, and the stock kernel here is the Fixie kernel, as you can see from here. Now let me go back and show you the system panel, and here you will find some customizations and stuff. Over here we have a system updater. In case if you want to update from this system updater, you can do that, but you need to be encrypted if you want to use this updater. Otherwise, talking about flashing this ROM, well, I just downloaded the full ROM file, of course, and I was on the Evolution X ROM, and I already have the Orange Fox recovery installed. If you have no idea what I am talking about, you can click on the card right here and check the flashing procedure. And to move from the Evolution X ROM, I wiped cache Dalvik system data from the Orange Fox recovery and flashed this PixelExperience ROM file with the fcrypt disabler, and it went fine. So right now the ROM has been working great over here. It is quite smooth. We have the live wallpapers and stuff. If you are noticing in the background, live wallpapers are working fine. Now let me go back to the system panel and show you the customizations. You have to enable the developer options if you want to get the advanced reboot. As you can see from here, the advanced reboot is present in the developer options. It's nowhere in the customization section. Once you enable this advanced restart, over here in the restart panel, you can see that we have the option to directly reboot to recovery or fast boot. So that's great. Here in the status bar section, we have the network traffic monitor. If you want to enable it, you can do that, and you can even customize that. In the system icons, we have the headset, Bluetooth, etc. icons. Over here, as you can see, I don't see a VoLTE icon right now. As of right now, I guess over here no VoLTE icon is present, but there is this 4G icon instead of LTE and stuff. And we have the clock position. You can change it to right, left, or center. As you can see, it moved to the center, so you can do that. And then we have the show seconds, AM PM style, small or normal or hidden, you can choose. Then we have the battery status icon style. We have the option to change it to circle or text, or the icon portrait is the default, and the battery percentage next to the icon is currently set. You can set it to inside the icon or hidden. We have the brightness slider, auto brightness and stuff. Then we have this brightness control. With that, you can just slide a finger on the status bar and it will control the brightness for you. As you can see, this is a really great feature, I would say. We have the quick pull down settings and stuff. You can choose it to be on the right or left. And over here we have the quick settings panels, column and row number customization. And then we have the styles for flip or rotate of the quick setting toggles. And we have the duration of the animation, and we have the interpolator of the animation. You can change whatever you want. Let me go back, and here in the button section we have the system navigation, as you can see. And here if you go into here, we can adjust the sensitivity and stuff. But if you want to hide this pill from here, you can enable this full screen gesture feature, and it will even hide this pill, and it won't show any black borders when you are typing on the keyboard and stuff. So if you want to use the full real estate of the screen, you can enable this full screen gesture. And the power menu option is there, but the advanced reboot I just showed you, it's in the developer options. And we have the end call and stuff. Long press for torch. Let me show you if it's actually working. So yeah, as you can see from the lock screen itself, when the always on display is on, you can use this long press for torch, and it does work super fine. Now let me unlock the device quickly, and if you notice the fingerprint scanner speed, let me show you the fingerprint scanner from up close over here. This is how it looks like on the always on display. And here if I tap the fingerprint scanner from the side, you can see that the color is cyan over here, and you can just tap like this and it does a little bit of vibrating kind of animation and it unlocks. Let's try with the left thumb, and it unlocked from the always on display. Now let's try from the lock screen itself. Unlocked. Now from the left thumb with the lock screen, and as you can see, it unlocked. The fingerprint scanner is stable enough, I would say, and it unlocks almost 100% of the time, so I have no issues with the fingerprint scanner as of right now. And we have the wake device and volume panel control stuff, and then we have the gestures option, and here we get the swipe to screenshot. So with this you can just take a screenshot just like this, but this you need to note that this is not the oxygenous kind of screenshot with which you can scroll or something. This is not that. You can't even do editing from right here. You can just see the screenshot whenever you are taking it. So yeah, that's how it is. This is the normal 3-finger screenshot gesture, but at least it is there, so that's really helpful. Now that's all in terms of the normal customizations and stuff. Now let me show you the stock launcher over here. this is how the settings panel of the stock launcher looks like. This is pretty much like the Pixel launcher over here, as you can see, and it has a lot lesser customization. It does not even have the double tap to sleep anywhere on the home screen and stuff. Those things are not there. To the left we have the Google Now cards, and the widgets and stuff, as you can see from here, are working fine, no issues with that. You can swipe up for the app drawer and stuff, and the whole UI stays smooth enough, and you can scroll down anywhere to get the quick settings panel or the notification panel. Now let me go into the display settings and show you some more stuff here. And if you notice, we have the dark theme right here, and you can enable it if you want to. I was using the dark theme, of course, and it's working fine. You can even like schedule the dark theme if you want. We have the night light mode, and it is working fine. You can change the intensity if you would like. Now let me go back. We have the live display option. We have the color calibration, the whole screen RGB control, then the picture adjustment and stuff. Now let me go back to the styles and wallpapers, and here let me tell you, accent colors, you have to change it from here. You can choose a custom theme like this, like you have to customize the theme. These options are like what you get. You do not get the red or something, I guess. I don't know how it will appear. As you can see, I'm double tapping and scrolling up sideways. It does not simply go anywhere. So we have these many options, this blue one, then this brownish, and this black one, green, and a cyan look, and a more cyan blue, dark blue kind of look, and a pink one, and this violet kind of color. This is all the accent colors you get over here on this ROM. Now let me go back from here, and in terms of wallpapers, of course, you have the living universe kind of things, like these live wallpapers. You can download them anytime, and this come alive thing is there. You can download any of them from here too. So pretty cool. Live wallpapers are like, they are by default, so that's a good thing. You can set the screen timeout as you're liking. Rotation settings is there. You can set the 180-degree rotation if you'd like that. Then we have the color settings, natural, boosted, and adaptive. And then we have the lock screen display, and from here, as you can see, we have the always on display turned on, and I have even this new notification turned on. And over here we have double tap to wake and double tap to sleep as well on the status bar, and as you can see, double tap to sleep on the status bar does work super fine, no issues with that. And sometimes what I have noticed is that like the double tap to sleep just like rejects to work. As you can see, I'm doing the double tap to sleep, but it does not wake the screen towards the lock screen. So this is a really weird thing what I have noticed, as you can see, but I do remember that I do have the double tap to wake enabled. And wake up unplug, you can disable it from here, no issues again. And in the sound settings, we have the like advanced settings, and if you scroll down, we do have the Mi sound enhancer, and I have tested the sound output via the headphone jack, and this like Mi Sports Bluetooth headset is really great, no issues whatsoever that I could find with this ROM. And of course, the sound output is good enough. I have no complaints there. And of course, you can change the play media like output device. You can choose it to this device or Bluetooth if you have a Bluetooth device connected. Now let me go back to the home screen, and here is how the stock camera looks like. Of course, this is the MIUI camera, and again, this is not the like ANX camera or something. If you go into the video, as you can see, the vlog mode is not there. So if you want the vlog mode in a custom ROM, I would say just flash the ANX camera or just like flash the latest Evolution X ROM. You will get those things. And we have the like 960 fps slow-mo and stuff, and you can even shoot the 4K 60 fps videos with this like normal MIUI camera. This works fine with all the lenses, no complaints there with the like MIUI camera here. And almost forgot to mention that the front camera LED and stuff is working fine with the sound as well, as you can see. So that's pretty great that the front camera LED sound and stuff, everything works. And you can also change the front camera effects, the sounds over here. As you can see, you have these many options and you can choose from any of these. And I have also installed the latest Google camera. If you don't have this Google camera, here is a card for you. Check out that video and you can set this Google camera app as you're liking. And like for this, all the lenses settings and stuff, night set and stuff with this Google camera should be working fine, no issues with that. And Google Pay on this ROM works right out of the box. That's not a problem. And this is how the stock dialer looks like. We do have a video call option if you need that. And if I place a call, and VoLTE calling and Wi-Fi calling both should be working fine. But there is no call recording option on the default dialer because this is a Pixel dialer, of course. And here again, as you can see, we do have the Wi-Fi calling option. You can enable it and like use the Wi-Fi calling feature if you'd like. And by the way, while it's launching PUBG, let me quickly show you that we do have this heads up disabling option and stuff, and you can add more toggle on the quick setting panel if you'd like. So those options are there. And in the volume panel, let me show you, this is how it looks like. And you can like open this kind of expanded option and you can control the media, call, ring, etc. volume from here. And also we have the live caption option if you need that. So in terms of PUBG graphic settings, you would have no problems at all because HDR and extreme settings is there, and the gaming performance should be pretty fine. Now talking about the battery life, I would say I cannot really say anything about it because I am really early to talk about the battery life on this ROM. I haven't used it for a really long time, but I would say in terms of the stability and with this kind of battery life that I got, let me show you the full chart over here. This is how, as you can see, it looks like I was about 95% charge when I flashed this ROM. So I would say it gave me about 1 hour and 25 minutes of screen on time, and it still has 80% juice left. So this can definitely give you about 6+ hours of screen on time easily on your day-to-day usage, pretty sure, with heavy usage. And talking about the fast charging and stuff, yes, the 18-watt fast charging is working super fine over here. That's not a problem. Now let me just quickly open some of the apps and show you guys the app open up speeds and the RAM management here. Let's open Facebook, Twitter, Play Store, YouTube, Instagram, Spotify. Now let's open all the apps from memory again. And as you can see, all the apps do stay in memory, no problems at all with the memory management on this ROM, and you can switch between apps just like this pretty quick and smoothly. So I would say the daily driving performance on this ROM is really great. I had no issues whatsoever with this ROM. So give this video a thumbs up if you like this PixelExperience ROM video on this Redmi K20 Pro, and subscribe to the channel if you have not yet for more contents like this. So thank you so much for watching this video guys again, and this is Tito from K20 Tech signing off for today, and I'll be catching you guys in the next one. Bye bye now.